Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily update on Solana. We're back again. We'll do a quick update. I mean, in this video, I don't think we need to talk about too much. Yesterday, what we talked about is that the overall market structure for Solana is still bullish, and I still stand by that. But on the short term, and you can also see that right now, and we talked about that yesterday as well. Yesterday, we had a bit of a bearish breakout right here below 112.5, which is also a strong technical level. So even though the market structure, I would say, is still very bullish, you can also see some rather short-term bearish confirmations. All right, so I just wanted to give you my thoughts on what I expect. What I said yesterday is basically still what I expect, but we'll dive into that a little bit deeper and talk about the different scenarios from there. But ultimately, what I said yesterday is that most likely, was that Solana will pull back a little bit lower, but that we have a lot of support right here between 106 and 104, and I still expect that to hold. All right, the circumstances for Solana are not ideal at this moment. Fundamentally, Solana is still very strong. All right, that's not the problem, and most of you also know that. So fundamentals are not the problem, but the problem is that Bitcoin is showing some bearish momentum right now. At the same moment, the Bitcoin dominance is quite bullish. So what that means, if Bitcoin is dropping down and the Bitcoin dominance is going up, it's a simple equation. That just means that altcoins are suffering. All right, Solana is very correlated to Bitcoin as well. So if Bitcoin drops down, Solana drops down, and if alts are suffering, therefore Solana drops down even more. But like I said, I don't see a reason why this bullish market structure would break. I mean, maybe we'll drop down a little bit lower towards like 102. I'm not sure, and I do think this is important. I want to know if we have some strong liquidity levels down there, because if there's a level with a lot of liquidity that sometimes acts as some sort of a magnet, yeah, there's a lot of liquidity around 103.5 and like 100. So that would be all the way down here. It's a possibility that will drop down there, all right? I would say it would surprise me, because I think that's quite a big drop. But overall, I expect Bitcoin, and I expect the overall market structure for Bitcoin to stay bullish. And Solana is correlated to Bitcoin, so that's also one of the reasons, like I said, why we're seeing some bearish momentum right here. But that also means, in combination with the fact that Solana fundamentally is still doing fine, that also means that I also do think Solana will stay in a relatively bullish market structure. So I'm going to stick with my analysis that at this moment it looks, and you can also see that with the bearish confirmations we got for Solana, it looks like bearish momentum on the short term is most likely. But the amount of support that Solana has between 105 and let's say ultimately like 101, in combination with the strength, in combination with the market structure and the fundamentals, I would say that's still enough. All right. So I'm still going to tell you that I think it's most likely we'll be able to hold that, maybe slowly consolidate up here before immediately turning bullish again. But after that consolidation, I still expect us to get back up to 117.5 and to even break above that and rally back up to 125. So in general, my thoughts on Solana have not changed. All right. If you watched my video yesterday, you know that this is roughly the same as what I said back then. The thing is that with bearish momentum, I mean, if let's say Bitcoin drops down all the way to 50,000 here, which is very realistic, then that means because of the correlation that Solana will drop down quite a bit more as well. So therefore, I am telling you that we might actually drop down a bit lower than you expect, and especially we might spike down lower. All right, spike down, grab that liquidity around 100 maybe, and then continue to go up. So look at that liquidity. If you want to trade Solana, that's fine, but know where most of the liquidity is for most traders, and don't get stop loss hunted or liquidation hunted like most. I think that's what you need to know for now. Tomorrow we'll probably look at the fundamentals again, but I don't want to look at that every single day. For now, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I want to wish you all a great weekend, and I'll see you all in my next videos. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group. That's up to you. For now, thank you for watching and take care.